This is Sensor Studio with Sangsil by Cloud. We will quickly deliver news about the Middle East war. Iran has elected Khamenei's son as the next supreme leader. This is a scene from Tehran. Currently, the United States is mobilizing all B-1, B-2, and B-52 bombers to carry out intensive bombing on Iran. Currently, the United States is focusing its attacks on the Iranian Navy and maritime radar surveillance systems. There has been a large explosion in Tehran. At present, the United States has completed the removal of all Iranian air defense networks. This is Tehran. So far, the Israeli Air Force has carried out a total of 1,600 sorties and dropped 4,000 bombs. This is Tehran, currently under airstrike. Karaj has suffered heavy damage due to Israeli airstrikes. In Haifa, Israel, Iranian drones have been observed. So far, Iran has used a total of 441 missiles and 1,326 drones. Of these, only 3 cruise missiles, 538 ballistic missiles, and 1,081 drones were launched at Gulf countries rather than Israel. A significant number of these have been intercepted. The Israeli military has announced that it has shot down more than 100 drones so far. In Erbil, Iraq, 2 Iranian drones were shot down near the large tower at the summit of Mount Korek. The headquarters of a pro-Iranian militia in Iraq was hit by a US airstrike. This is Siren, Lebanon. Currently, the Israeli military is conducting large-scale airstrikes on Lebanon. Lebanon is currently experiencing intense airstrikes, especially focused on the southern region. This is footage of the Israeli military's airstrikes. After attacking Iran, the Israeli military destroyed around 300 Iranian missile launchers. The US Navy also released new footage of guided missile launches at Iran during Operation Epic Fury, both day and night. This is the UAE. This is a US THAAD base, and the THAAD system suffered significant damage due to an attack by Iranian forces. This is Dubai. The US consulate in Dubai was attacked by a Shahed drone. Black smoke can be seen rising from the US consulate in Dubai. The Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps of Iran said it will attack all regional economic centers. Khamenei's body is expected to be buried in Mashhad. The Iranian Foreign Ministry rejected talks, saying they are fighting evil. President Trump announced that the US Navy will open the Strait of Hormuz, which is being blocked by Iranian forces, and will escort oil tankers passing through the Strait of Hormuz. President Trump announced this. He was instructed to suspend all trade with Spain due to Spain's announcement banning the use of US military bases. Also, President Trump stated that Spain and the United Kingdom are uncooperative in the operation. Currently, thousands of Kurds are armed with the support of someone. The Lebanese army arrested 12 members of Hezbollah who launched rocket attacks on Israel. The judicial authorities ordered the tracking of those responsible for launching rockets and drones toward Israel from Lebanon. A Qatari Ministry of Foreign Affairs spokesperson said they won't join military operations against Iran. The UAE announced it's considering military action to stop Iran's missile and drone attacks. German Chancellor Merz will discuss the Middle East war with President Trump. Germany has stated that Tehran's government should be overthrown. If more news comes, I'll make and upload another video. Thanks for watching.